right here.
I want to hear y'all now.
Oh shit.
What? Where all the bad bitches at in this motherfucker? And the boss niggas?
Oh shit.
Female gold in this bitch? Yeah. I'm a big flexing, rich dresser. I just blew your brain on some Montclair sweatshirts. Big stepper, Louis V collector. She ain't had enough, then I'm applying more pressure. Bitch, I already earned my stripes. These bitches ain't no competition, ain't believing the hype. I just dropped the bag on a few pair off whites, drip so hard, got them calling for a fix on the pipe. And this shit like, I just got a thing for the flex. The bag stay around this bitch so I can fuck off a check. I feel like I'm up now, fuck all that I'm up next. A bitch don't really have to iron me to say that I'm pressed. And it's my last time saying I'm the goat around this motherfucker. And in my eyes, I'm the coldest around this motherfucker. They gotta pay me just to come back to the city. Who the fuck ass they with? These bitches ain't fucking with me. When these bitches way out and I should charge you hoes. I'm forever with the shit and I can dog you hoes. Ever since I got a name, it's for all you hoes. Bitch, I got the same hurt the way I ball on hoes. I can't fight you hoes, I spend whatever on meals. I gotta fly back to the city just to link up with Mel. I wanna fly that too, I'm in your city at 4. I done trapped the whole Cali in a pair of Dior's. To the age just to triple my bag. You bitches fighting over dick, bitch, you going out bad. Make bitches sicker than Corona, got them rocking the mask. I said a pussy hoe could never, so I'm keeping them mad. And I'm a big flexer, rich dresser. I just blew your rain on some Montclair sweatshirts. Big stepper, Louis V collector. She ain't had enough, then I'm applying more pressure, bitch. I think all the bad bitches in the front, dog. These bitches bad in the front, alright. They like Lakeyah, why they sleeping on you so hard? Don't give a fuck, I'm about to get back in my go yard. That's that bitch that keep pulling out the foreign cars, put it in reverse to get your broke ass that jump start. I hit my dance on these bitches like I'm suicide. Drip on me heavy, got these bum hoes. I know they hate to see I'm really cold, I'm going viral. Yeah, I've been fly since 15 without a co-pilot. I got these hoes real pressed and I ain't doing shit. And niggas lying on their dick, they ain't doing shit. Who said who the bigger goat? That's some bullshit. Somebody put the hammer to her head, bring that toolkit. I'ma keep it real, niggas ain't got no chance. Bring the cheese for a future, I need 10 bands. I'm on their ass till it ain't one, just all legs. My bitch dick bigger than yours and it's some tool shit. These niggas capping in they raps, they ain't pop shit. He popped a perk, but that nigga still goes off quick. And they ain't never seen me fight, but I talk shit. Put them dogs on you, pull up on you, bitch, you top brick. And plus my numbers going up, she a fan now. And if it's smoke, then it's up, you get fucking no more pretty shit.